I'm wearing a wig right now because I'm too lazy to style my hair. It's a mess, but I don't care. Anyway, I received this incredibly generous PR package from Zeesea Cosmetics. I will be reviewing it soon, but I literally just got it, so give me a week to try them on before I can give a fair review, because I don't really like first impression reviews just because a lot of my first impressions often end up wrong. So give me a week, let me try out everything, and I'll give you the review. Anyway, I put an Instagram and TikTok poll asking which palette I shall do first, and the winner is this pink J03 palette. And I was requested for a glam look, so this is my glam pinkish look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It will really help me a lot because it helps other people who enjoy watching videos like these find my content, and subscribing also lets you know when my review is out. I promise I'll get it done as soon as possible. So far I'm really liking what I'm wearing, but I'm going to refrain from making a review because first impression reviews are sometimes not that accurate. Anyway, let's get on to the tutorial, shall we? First of all, I'm using my trusty Eccentric Cosmetics primer, and I'm taking this brown shade here and applying it on my eyes. If you're wondering where to apply this line because there's no crease, feel for your eyeballs and trace it. Yeah, I know it's messy, but we're gonna grab the powder. This is from Zeesea. It's so beautiful, and we're gonna put the powder above this line and also rub the edges of the line to smoothen it. And then we're gonna grab this pink shade and just keep blending it above the brown shade. And if the blend isn't smooth enough, take a clean, fluffy blending brush and rub the edges just to make sure there's no hard edges. Feel free to go back between the two shades. Now I'm grabbing this gorgeous glittery pink shade and applying it all over my lids, and make sure you keep opening your eyes while doing this just to make sure it still shows up when you open your eyes. I'm making sure it just peeks slightly above my eyeline. Finally, this dark red shade is going to go on the outer third of my eyes to add some depth to it. By the way, if you noticed, the entire tutorial was done using just a free brush that comes with this palette. The only exception is the clean brush I used to rub out the hard edges because I took the wrong brush by mistake. If you need a more detailed tutorial on lining monolids, I'll link them above and below. This is where I like to conceal my under eye. If it's weird to add the step here, it's usually just because if I make any mistakes, I can use concealer to erase the mistake. I happen to do my look pretty cleanly this time, but sometimes I do need the concealer to fix my mistakes. And I guess I'll just do the rest of my face too before highlighting the inner corner of my eye with this beautiful shimmer. You can totally stop here, but let me show you this one trick that makes every eye look instantly way more glam. So I'm actually dabbing my finger into that highlighter and dabbing it in the middle of my eyes. And now compare how much more dramatic my eye look becomes. You can totally use the pink shade in this palette as blush, and that's what I'm doing here. Just be careful, it's really pigmented. I'm also drawing the blush in the middle of my nose bridge just to make it look more natural. And using the Zeesea highlighter in H08 on my cheekbones. And don't forget your forehead because that catches the light too. For lips, I'm using Zeesea's Velvet Matte Moisturizing Lip Cream, shade number 08. And this lip cream has that velvety texture I just love. If you want a truly glam look, you can also put on lashes, but I kind of like it with just mascara too. What do you think? And that's it. Thank you for watching the entire thing. I truly appreciate it. I will do the blue palette soon because that is the second most requested palette. Let me know what kind of look you'd like me to do with it, what colors you'd like to see, whatever. Anyway, I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.